In this video you will learn how to store files in tables. We usually retrieve file info, a name, dates and so on more often than its binary data. And from a performance point of view, it is optimal to keep the file info in the one table and binary data in the second, that is linked to the first one. Then, to get the file info, we don't have to query the big table with binary data. Okay, the first table is gonna keep file info. The name field has usage of name and file name. That means that we use the value of this field as the drop-down list string and as the name of the file. The file date field has the usage of the file time. The ref ID has the ID from the parent table, and the ref code has a code of its parent table, for example, product, customer, and so on. The second table keeps binary data. It has a reference to the first table and a field with binary data. This field has to have usage value of file data. In the screen editor, I need to create a data source for the table with file info. I'm taking a product ID from the product data source, and when creating a new record, I'm writing product ID and the code of the parent table. When selecting records, I'm using the product ID and the code of the parent table in a filter. On the Action tab, I edit actions upload and download from the module Common. The button for the upload action opens the standard dialog window. After uploading, action gets file name, file date, and file binary data as parameters. Also, I have to pass the code of the table with binary data and the ID of the record with file info. After action finishes, I'm refreshing the data source to show file name and date. For the download action, I am passing the code of the table with binary data and the ID of the record with file info as action parameters. And finally, on the View tab, I created a part of the type table and added the download and upload actions. And let's see how it works. Thank you for watching.